Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to change the navigation bar buttons, which I've got right now applied, into the gestures. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little in order to find convenience tools. Now let's tap on the second option, which is navigation buttons, and as you can see here we've got the navigation mode option. Right now we've got virtual buttons applied, and you can say it because we've got actually the navigation bar here. What's more, here we've got some options connected to it, so for example you can change the preferred button layout. It's up to you, but let me actually focus on how to change the navigation bar to the gestures. So firstly let me show you the option which is hidden in more. So let's tap in more and tap on swipe up gestures. And as you can see here we've got actually the preview, the instructions of how to use it. So here in this mode you will have to swipe only from the button. So you will be able to swipe here in order to get back. In the middle you will have to swipe in order to get back to the home screen, and you will have to swipe and pause in order to open the recents. What's more, here we've got some options also connected to it, but let me get, oh sorry, actually I just told you how to do it and I did it another way. So let me get back just like that. As you can see, this is how it works. And here we've got another option to set the gestures. So let me tap on it also. And here we've got the preview of it. So we will be able to get back using both sides. So we will have to swipe from the left to the middle and from the right to the middle. In order to get back to the home page, we will have to just swipe it fastly. And in order to open the recents, we will have to swipe and hold it somewhere here. So let me show you. I will pick this option because it's more comfortable for me, and let me show you how to use it. So as I said, in order to get back we have to swipe. You will see this arrow right here, and right now you can release your finger, and as you can see we just got back to the convenience tools. Again, we can do it from the other side and it should work the same. And as you can see we are in the general settings. Right now I can show you how to go back to the home page. All you have to do is simply swipe quite fastly, and we just got back to the home screen. In order to open the recents, all you have to do is simply swipe and gently, and we've got the recents right here. So well, actually that's all. This is how to set the gestures instead of navigation bar buttons in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.